Welcome back. The next thing to do on our dismantled pump is to inspect all parts for damage. A visual inspection is normally sufficient to reveal obvious faults, such as damaged impellers or worn sleeves and shafts. In the normal course of events, it makes sense to replace all wearing components, that is, bearings and seals, packings and wear sleeves. Prior to assembling, make sure that all mating surfaces are clean and free of nicks, burrs, paint or other debris. The shaft, complete with its bearings, can now be installed carefully into the pre-oiled bearing bracket. End covers should be lightly coated with a silicone-based sealer to ensure a tight, leak-free joint facing. Refit and secure both covers. Don't forget to fit the flinger at this point. When the flinger is installed, the feather key and the wear sleeve are installed. A little oil should be applied to the shaft before the wear sleeve is fitted. Next, install the gland cover. It should be noted that the packing pieces need not be installed yet, but don't forget to fit the lantern and gland, or you'll have to pull the pump apart to get them in later. Firmly secure the gland cover, locating screws. An anti-seize compound should be applied to the impeller prior to installing it to the shaft. Fit the nut together with its washer. Ensure that the nut is firmly secured. Before joining the unit to the volute casing, fit a new gasket. When the two sections are joined, ensure that all fasteners are evenly and securely tightened. Once all this has been done, check that the shaft turns freely, without dragging or binding. If the pump is to be put straight back into service, then ensure that the oil reservoir is filled to the correct level and that new packing rings are installed. That concludes this program on dismantling and assembly procedures for single-stage pumps. It is suggested that you now practice the procedures demonstrated and complete the exercises in your workbook. Join us again for further training sessions on centrifugal pumps.